Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend on this beautiful Sunday. Today we are recapping on Uthando Nesthembu, and sibona ke umnini nkosi yami uyasho ukubana ibhizinisi lakhe le-farming lokufuya inkukhu, it is going well. Guys, how old is this boy? He's only what, 11, 10, 11. Already he's running his very own successful chicken farming. Siyambona ke uma wakhe naye side to side naye asho ke ukubana hayi umnini is different man. He is different from everyone ngoba nje hayi uzithandela nje iy'tshalo and farming and all those things nje. Like, you can see, man, the passion in him, the way he is even there with Nale Kuba, the ubhizi nje digging, and uyatshala lapho ngathi utshala amakhabishi uze uyasho ukubana nje uyifunela ukuyitshalela nje namakinati nje konke, uze uyasho nokubana if there were no those trees I would have planted all over. Yeah, he keeps on emphasizing uma wakhe athi yena nawe kwamele ke umcele ubaba ukubana angithengele ama-seeds so that he can plant. Yo guys, such passion of farming at such a young age. This nje, it's not something as a parent that you must take lightly. If you see your child ukubana they've got love for soccer, they've got love for drawing, they've got love for gardening, they've got love for plants, they've got love for flowers, allow them to be and see ukubana is this something that they would actually love to do as a grown up. Naku umayeni umyekelile baze bamfunele nendlu nje yokubana afuye iy'nkukhu zakhe. Awu naku noma yena uzuyasho phela ukubana hayi nale y'nkukhu le ey'dudla kangaka ey'nkulu kangaka kwamele nje siyibilise nje ibhoyilwe nje. Like, it teaches us so much about allowing our kids to be what they actually want to be. If umntanakho afika today, whether it's a boy or a girl, I love doing hair, allow them to be what they want to be, because as an adult, if you're doing something that you are passionate about, it becomes easier. Now remember ukubana accessing umsebenzi that brings money, it's a passion. You're doing something that you love, so it's easier doing it because you find joy, man, in doing such things. So nje niyambona nje ukubana hayi umsele ku junior la already nje, kusho ukuthi nje them being them, kusho ukuthi nje sebemfake naku ma-farming school and agricultural ukubana so that he can get more knowledge on how to plant, when to plant, where to plant such things. You can see nje ukubana they are spending quality time noma wakhe, and ubhizi lapho nikhuba uyahlakula nje, he's watering his plants nje, happy man. You can see ukubana it makes him happy, it gives him a peace of mind. Uze uyasho ke umnini athi if you are envious, ma unomona iy'tshalo zakho ziyafa quphu. So ma ubona nje ama-colleagues akho akuthengeli imbali lapho, like plants, and then your plants, they don't grow, your plants, they just die. Go cleanse your aura. Cleanse your aura. You must cleanse your aura, mntakwethu. Cleanse it. Pray for your heart, because you might be envious and when you're not even aware of it. Uze uyasho phela umnini athi hayi, there is no way nje ukuthi nje inhliziyo yakho mayimdaka ngale ndlela. There is no way. Like, you see your plants, they just die left, right and center. And you're like, oh, I don't know, this plant needs water, this plant needs sun, oh, I forgot to water my plant, that's why they hayi ntombi. You are forgetting to water your aura, because now you are carrying envious energies. Unomona. You might find ukubana you're not even aware of it. Guys, I know ukubana naturally, as natural beings like we do have like sometimes why does this one carry she looks good on those jeans more than me? It's normal, man. But we always have to like always control ourselves ukubana ngathi nje hayi suthanda into zikamakhelwane ukundlula zabo. You can see ke umnini nje uzuyabonisa uma wakhe ukuthi hey, lonke le jarada leli nje kube angitholanga nitshali into zenu. I would have planted everything that I wish, and I'll keep asking ubaba ukubana he must buy more seeds for me, because I uyimisele ke boy. You can see here ubusy nje, he is giving inkukhu zakhe amanzi, ubusy nje. Like, share and subscribe. You can see lana futhi, hey, this one is a businessman, hey, strategic. Ahamba lapho with the siblings